Attention to all Leaving Certs who are doing higher level Irish. I want to draw your attention to something real quick and super important. So as we know, usually on your poetry section, the third question, the 9-marker question, is always the poet, unless it's on Spalpeen Phonic, because we don't know who wrote that poem. So usually it's about the life and the career of the poet. However, now that we have 2 poems come up because of COVID, you need to be super careful about this. It is not guaranteed anymore. I would say, because you have a choice, so 2 poems come up. So let's check out the 2024 paper. We had Gavin and we had An Tara Keir. You do only have to pick one of them. I would say, just looking at patterns, you are guaranteed a poet on one of them. However, not both of them. So as you can see with Gavin, we love our 9-marker questions on Cotchley Mod, the 9-marker question. However, Crossland Lathnuk to An Tara Keir, part 3 is not about the poet. It is pick out 2 of the adjectives that the poet uses. So just don't bank on it being guaranteed. It's not too big of a deal, but I just don't want you panicking on the day. So Sinead.